Hello and welcome. This is the Xiaomi WOWSTICK 21-in-1. It's an electric screwdriver, but it's without any um, batteries. I mean, it doesn't have an accumulator. You can buy yourself some batteries and that's it. So you don't have to charge it, let's say. It runs on, let's say, two AAA batteries, 1.5. Can you see it? Yeah, it's zoomed in. So, why would you buy such a thing? I mean, it's an electric screwdriver. Do you really need one? Well, I'm gonna show you why I bought it. Just a second, if I can put the caps on. This is screwing in by hand. You don't need anything else. You just screw in this bottom, and this is how it sounds. Of course, it's both ways. You can tighten something up or you can loosen it, but don't expect to have too much grip. I mean, for example, we have here this M&M guy, which I've been using, and it has a little screw over here. Can you see it? Yeah. Well, for example, if I want to unscrew it, it will not work because it needs too much tension. So what I do, I unscrew it a bit and then I let the screwdriver do the rest. So you're not going to use this one just to tighten every screw and let's say don't use any power. This is used mostly for less rotation, so you don't have hand pains and your hand is gonna feel bad because you have to rotate so many times because the screw was so long in so many toys and I don't know, computers, whatever you're assembling or disassembling in your own case. Why I bought this one? Well, I bought it because I need it for my PC. I sometimes let's say I clean PCs not for a living, but for a hobby, let's say, and also I like to repair some small things around the house. So, without further ado, I mentioned the WOWSTICK 21-in-1. You just saw the stick down below. I'm gonna show you the bits because it comes with 21 bits, which are right here in this tube. These are really nice packed, and you got a really nice carrying pouch, so you can, if you really want to see, I'm gonna put it closer so you can see better. These are all the screw types it has. Also, there's gonna be a link down below if you really want to see every type of bit it has. I have been using this for long, I mean for some months now, but I was saying don't expect to have too much torsion even with full batteries. This is gonna, if you put your hand on it, you can pretty much slow it. You cannot stop it at all because it has some torsion, but some torque, some power. But yeah, this is only for reducing the muscle weight from the many rotations you have to do to your screws. That's it. Should you buy it? I mean, this was $15, if I'm not mistaken, $15 or $20 when I bought it. So it's really helpful for me. It helps me screw and unscrew a lot of things much faster, if you get the pun. And yeah, that's it. I think if you like to unpack things, you have a lot of toys, or you have to disassemble PCs or components, yeah, you should buy one. I mean, now I know there is the WOWSTICK with the charger, with the carrying pouch if you look over, but really, do you really need that much? I mean, you need a carrying pouch for your screwdriver, and you need your screwdriver to have a charger where you can put it. I mean, how often do you use it? I think I never changed the batteries on this one. I've been using it, I bought it, sorry. I'm not using it daily, so I'm using it only from time to time when I really have to screw and unscrew something. And yeah, I think the batteries are 3 months old, if I'm not mistaken, because you're not going to use it day by day. If you're going to use it day by day, then I suggest you go buy the one with battery inside with its own battery that it can be recharged, so you don't waste a lot of batteries by replacing this one. Yeah, that's it. For my opinion, I think you should buy it. If you're type of guy that likes to repair some stuff around the house, you've got some toys with really small screws. You don't have to place all your bits and you have to find, oh, where did I put my bits? Where's my bits case? Oh, I don't have that type of bit. This is really simple. This is all that comes in the package. Sorry. You got the screwdriver, the wall stick, and you got the carrying pouch for the box for the bits. This is all. You put the bit inside the pouch, the box, and that's it. What else? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Do you have the WOWSTICK? Do you have the new generation with the accumulator and everything? Or what would you like to do with it? Screw or unscrew, let's say. I'm gonna leave you right here and right here to a few seconds of what I've been using it. I think I used it in the video with the computer assembly and also the one with the laptop, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the one with the laptop when I replaced the hard drive on that laptop that had the broken hard drive. So see you in the next one. Bye.